Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Anjudev Vlogs. As promised to you guys, I would like to show you the Bangalore nightlife, how it got affected because of the COVID-19. Whether it got really affected, let's see that. Before watching this episode of mine, I request you to watch my previous episode. You can find the link above. Now, I am in one of my favorite place, that is Indiranagar, and Toit is one of my favorite restaurant. So let's go in and see how much precautions or safety measures they have taken. So we just entered Toit. They have taken enough preventive measures. You would have seen that. Let's see how much inside safety we have here. Okay, we just came inside. It's not at all crowded. Toit, you can never dream like this. A weekday or weekend, any day, it used to be always crowded. It has more than 2 floors and every floor used to be crowded whenever I used to come here. First time I'm seeing Toit to be so empty here. Here they have much better apps that we have to scan the QR code and we can see the menu in our mobile. So I'm using the Paytm to scan the code. Okay. So see, you can see the menu in your mobile. I use Paytm app, you can use any app to scan the code and you will get it in your mobile. So no touching, nothing. It's so good, amazing. Unlike usual days, they're serving only food and mocktails here. So I've ordered for a steak, that is Toit special steak and a mocktail. So on a brief on how much Toit has taken preventive measures, I am really satisfied with the way they are treating their customers. Everything was well in place, starting from the entrance till getting seated here, and even the way they have given the menu without contact. So everything was in place and I'm so happy. I'm so delighted. I got my blueberry lemonade. Let's see how it is. Here is our Toit special steak. Let's have a bite of it. As always, Toit food is too good.
That's good.
As I said, we have only food available here, but now I got to know we can take out beers as well. Guys, all together, it was a safe experience here. So the Bangalore nightlife is still on, looks like, guys. When I came, no, I could see a couple of people waiting in KFC. So we can't say that people are really staying inside home. But I know we cannot stay all the time inside. But for safety and our own health reasons, try maximum to be at home. Karnataka government has imposed a new rule. Starting from the next Sunday, that is 5th of July, there is going to be a complete lockdown in Bangalore on every Sundays. Let's see why government has come up with such a strict rule. When I came from Electronic City till Indiranagar itself, I could see there were not much difference than in usual days before COVID. It was fully traffic, it was completely crowded. So that can be one of the reasons, because usually Sundays people feel like coming outside after working from Monday till Friday or Saturday. So definitely they feel like they need some space or some vacation time. So Sunday definitely they'll utilize for that. That can be one reason why government has taken such strict rules. See guys, you yourself can notice what is happening. Compared to Saturday's daytime, see how the traffic, how the people, how the crowd has changed on Sunday night. This is the condition of Indiranagar. We will have to see other places as well. Buddies, I'm back to Brigade Road. Let's have a comparison of what we saw on Saturday daytime and Sunday night. So come on, let's have a walk over the street. Rasta Cafe is open. I cannot see much customers, but yeah, people are there inside. The coffee house, still there are people here, you can see. But I can see people maintaining social distancing and having their sip of coffee. So not everyone is staying at home. Yeah, once in a while if you're coming outside also you have to, but do take safety measures. So we can see most of the pubs are also open, but it is safe out here because not many people are visiting though. Is it really safe to hang out during these times? Definitely no, a big no. Now let's have a comparison of the same place we visited on Saturday. I could get an overwhelming response for my previous video, and many people told me they really wanted to know what is happening now in Bangalore, and they were really happy with the daytime video. So hope you get the same feel as what you got while watching the daytime video. Brigade Road looks the same. Not much difference, it is same as what we saw during daytime. There are not many people. I wanted to add on to the information I already shared that Sundays are going to be a lockdown, but there will be emergency supplies available. Buddies, while in Brigade Road, we couldn't cover much because it was drizzling. Suddenly we came back. Now we are in Koramangala 5th block, which is JNC College Road. Let's see how are things happening here. My review on this area is like every time this place used to be crowded, be it a weekday, be it a weekend, every time this used to be crowded. But right now what I see is there is difference, but still people are there. You can see yourself. So Mekna's Biryani, which used to be one of the famous restaurant here, we cannot see much people here. Earlier when you come here, there used to be a big queue, but now the situation has turned upside down. You can see the Empire Hotel, which used to be always full of people, but here also we cannot see much people now. I cannot say there is zero crowd here, but yeah, comparatively it is less. That means majority are actually looking into the rules and safety. From all this, what we get to know is that it is our safety, our health. So if you are taking enough care, you will be better, you will be protected, you will be safe. So this is the situation in JNC College Road. Now let's cover the other side of Koramangala. We are in the other side of Koramangala where you get to see Nagarjuna, Asia Kitchen and so many other restaurants. So this is a famous pub hopping area as well as restaurant hopping area. So here we cannot see much people. So looks like this area is safe. We came for dinner in Nagarjuna. So here you can see the chairs are well placed. You can see it is mentioned don't sit here. So properly they have covered social distancing, and they gave the menu card, but the person had put on the gloves, so that was also good. You can see all the waiters wearing proper protection mask as well. Altogether it's good. Hope you guys are aware that yesterday, 27th of June, Bangalore witnessed the biggest number of spike in positive cases of corona. So let's be safe, be at home maximum possible. Only if required, you guys think of coming out. Very hungry, so we are starting with our dinner. We have ordered Andhra Bhojanam, famous pappu and all other side dishes you can see, and also we are going for Gundur chicken, little Gundur chicken and rice. Andhra cuisine is one of my favorite. It is very spicy, very tasty. I love it. Let's end the sumptuous dinner with some dessert, gheer, payasam. So you would have seen both of my vlogs about Bangalore during daytime and nighttime as well on weekend. My opinion, my humble request to you is that please stay at home. I just came outside to give you an overview, and only for emergency purpose I have stepped out of my house. So I would like you guys also to follow the same. Stay at home, stay safe. Till now, thanks a lot for all the love you have shown to me. Keep supporting me. Subscribe to my channel Anju De Vlogs if you have not subscribed yet. See you soon with some other exciting topics. Bye.